this video, we will show you how to install a Baldwin mortise lock handle set. The tools needed for this project are a Phillips head and slot head screwdriver, measuring tape, hacksaw, tape, and a drill. First, thread the cylinder plug into the interior side of the lock. The notch must be located as shown here. Place a strip of tape over the plug to keep it from turning. Now install the lock. Be sure to shim between the lock and door on the cylinder side to prohibit cylinder from pulling lock case out of center of the door. For the handle set trim, install the spindle from the inside of the V-groove facing bottom door hinge and thread the screw and lock washer into the spindle from the outside. Tighten securely. Cut the thumb piece tailpiece so that it will fully engage the lift lever on the bottom side of the lock. Cut the thumb piece tailpiece so that it goes halfway through the lock. Place the cylinder through the trim. If possible, insert a blank key into the cylinder and thread the cylinder into the lock. If you do not have a blank key, do not fully insert the supplied key into the cylinder. Start the through bolts, which will hold the exterior trim. Remember to use screw cover washer under the bottom through bolt. Tighten both securely. Hold the interior trim against the door and mark the location to cut the tailpiece. Cut the tailpiece accordingly. Place the interior trim on the door and slide the aligning bushing onto the spindle so it fits into the knob hole. Drill the pilot holes and fasten the interior trim with the supplied fasteners. Remove the bushing and discard. Start the set screw before sliding the knob or lever onto the spindle. Slide the knob or lever onto the spindle and tighten securely. Thread the decorative screw cover onto the threaded washer. Tighten the cylinder set screw by turning clockwise. Install armored front with the small Phillips head screws that are supplied. Now you're ready to enjoy your newly installed mortise lock.